Hey guys, this is Divya and I'm back with another episode of Plums Prelims Level Up MCQ series. So as you know, we're daily coming up with 5 MCQs. Today is episode 65 February and I'll be taking environment. This is Divya and hope you guys are consistent. You're watching all the videos and also liking these videos. So please guys be consistent, watch the videos. It will be really very beneficial, for your preparation. So now let us begin, and also do not forget to subscribe the channel Vysh IAS and press the bell notification so that you never miss an update. Right, so let's get started. The first MCQ, it is consider the following plants, right? So the plants are thyme, poppies, daisies, sea buckthorn. So they're asking what is the importance of these plants, right? So these options are whether these plants help in controlling soil erosion and preventing desertification, or these are a rich source of biodiesel, or these have nutritional value and are well adapted to live in cold areas of high altitudes, or they have their timber has great commercial value. So pause the video guys and do answer, and in the comment section, and write your score as well. Okay, so now the answer is A, thyme, poppies, daisies. These are the perennial plants. They have strong roots and that's how they prevent the soil erosion. Sea buckthorn, it has soil binding properties and it prevents soil erosion as well. Also it checks the siltation in rivers. So that's how it also it helps in water conservation, right? Now, second question. So, what kind of interaction is seen between organisms in mycorrhizae? So, your options are option A, competition, symbiosis, commensalism, amensalism. Answer is B. So, mycorrhiza is actually the symbiotic relation, which means you should be knowing that it benefits both the organisms mutually. Here we have a fungus and a plant, and the term mycorrhiza, it refers to the role of the fungus in the plant's rhizosphere, right, which is its root system. So mycorrhiza, they play an important role in plant nutrition, soil biology and soil chemistry. Now moving ahead, third question. AFM1 is a major cause of concern. Why? Right? Your options are AFM1, whether it is a major pollutant, or is it a carcinogenic substance, or it is pesticide, or it is a biohazardous waste, right? Now let's see the answer. Do answer this question. So answer is B. So there was some questions, there was some question on aflatoxins in previous years prelims, so that's why I've included this. So AFM1 is a type of aflatoxin, and it is called aflatoxin M1. So that's how this name AFM1. So the traces of this aflatoxin M1, which is actually a deadly carcinogen, and it was found in some of the milk samples that was tested by FSSAI, right, Food Safety and Standard Authorities, some years ago, and the traces of aflatoxin was found in those milk samples, and it was also found that milk from Kerala, right, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, and another one state, I'm missing the name, were very they were high in such in aflatoxin. The content of aflatoxin was more in the milk, in the milk of those states. Then aflatoxins. So aflatoxins are types of toxins that are produced by fungi, and it is mainly found in agricultural crops. Moving ahead, fourth question. So white rot fungus, Trematex maxima, IIPLC 32, right? So this is said to be beneficial for the environment because it can be used as a, your options are biofertilizer, biodiesel, soil binding agent, bioremediation agent, right? So let us see the answer. So answer is D. So this white rot fungus, Trematex maxima, IIPLC 32, is actually used in used as bioremediation agent, it decreases the level of pollution in soil, right? And please comment what is actually the bioremediation. I've taught you as well, right, in the environment lectures. So the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, they have identified a fungus which can be used for microbial degradation of pyrene. What is pyrene? Pyrene belongs to a class of polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, right, also known as PAHs. These are very carcinogenic as well as they have mutagenic properties. It can mutate our DNA, right? So that's how it is, this one is beneficial. Now moving ahead, the final MCQ today. So pug mark technique is employed in which of the following? Your option are environment related clearances, water conservation, tiger census, or bioremediation. So pause the question, pause the video, answer the question, and give your score also, guys. Do write the score. So you guys are not commenting. So now let's see. Answer is C, tiger census. So pugmark technique is actually, in this method what is done is the imprints of the pugmark, that is the footprint of the tigers are recorded, and on that basis in identification of individual tiger is done. And now it is widely used, it is largely used as one of the indices of tiger occurrences and relative abundance, where tiger population is more. So that's how it is used in the tiger census method, right, one of the techniques. So with this I wind up this episode. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, and as you know, daily we are coming up with 5 MCQs. Please attend those MCQs, please watch those videos, and like and share these videos. Thank you so much.